Let's talk about the accessories that come standard with every jumping jack trailer purchase. Every tent on the inside comes standard with your table and single beds on both sides. One of the things that's listed as an accessory that comes standard is we throw in one half bed extension, allowing you to sit up to the table at this side. Every trailer comes standard with a fold-up step stool to allow you to step up and down off the tailgate. A set of what we call our safety bars. These will attach on the outside rail of the trailer. They are just used when you're loading ATVs side by sides. They act as a wheel stop, giving you something to bump into. Going off the other edge kind of hurts. We recommend using these. We also throw in a set of what we call our outside table legs. These legs will take the front gate that comes standard on every trailer. That's the piece that's used to form the high wall on the front if you're going to use it as a utility trailer. But while you're at camp, you can pull these legs out, screw them into the four corners of that front gate to turn it into a big camp table wherever you're camping. One of my favorite accessories that we have. We also, when you open up your tent, you will find a cardboard box. Inside of that cardboard box, you are going to have a set of written instructions as well as what we call our accessory adapter. We throw in an accessory adapter with every trailer purchase. This piece will hook on the outside rail of your trailer when you're set up, when the tent's open, and this will allow you to attach the additional accessories such as the water rack, the cooler rack to the front of the tent to allow you to form our kitchenette setup or use those accessories while your tent is deployed. A few other things listed as accessories that come standard with our trailers are the interior carpet that you see inside of the tent and a full-size spare tire. That spare tire is mounted up underneath in between the tongue. Full size, comes standard. All of the other accessories that we offer, and there are quite a few of them, they're all optional. They can be added to your trailer at any time. They're all available for purchase on our online store, so go check them out. If you see something you like, go ahead and order it. We do ship nationwide.